Hi, Paul here from prwilsonmedia. Now, if you run a Facebook page, you may well have seen visitor posts like this, where someone has posted content to your page. Doesn't appear in the main feed, but it's certainly visible on the page. And in some cases, you might want to restrict what they're allowed to post to your page. Let me show you how that's done. Here we go. So, you go to the page that you want to manage, click here on Settings. You obviously have to be an administrator. And the second option down, Visitor Posts. The default there is anyone can publish to the page. And that also includes automatically photos and videos. But you might think, well, okay, they can post text but no photos and videos. Another good option though is to review posts before they're shown live to anyone visiting. Could be if you're in customer services and you're getting feedback, that kind of thing. Potentially you don't want it to be visible until you've approved the content, so you might want to turn that review option on. And if you decide, no, I don't want anyone at all publishing to this page, you can simply say disable posts by other people on the page. And I'll show you what that looks like to a user who's visiting your page. So the way you can check how it would look to a public visitor is to go here to the three dots and say View as Page Visitor. And you can see there's no box that they can post into, but they can still comment on the post that you've published yourself. So obviously you can turn on, turn off these settings, adjust them the way you like. If we go back to the original setting, let's reset it to allow visitors to the page to post but no photos, for example. We'll leave the review on as well and click Save Changes. And let's see how that now looks. So we click there, we'll say View as Page Visitor. And this time, lo and behold, there is a box. Say hello there. And they can click Post. What they can't do is add, as I say, a picture or image. There's no photo or camera icon there. And then from the administrator's point of view, it says the people who manage this page will review it, and there'll be a little post ready to review. And when it comes to reviewing the post, you can either respond to it or you can click on it, say hide all. You can't even delete it. And if you just want to respond, great. So yeah, lots of different options about how people can engage with your page. Whatever happens, they'll still be able to comment. They just might not be able to send a full post directly to your page. But you really want to encourage people to be commenting on the content that you put out rather than starting a new stream of content anyway. So that's it from me. I'm Paul from prwilsonmedia, your social media personal trainer. Cheers.